If you're experiencing a transfer pending status on your US bank account, it can be frustrating. This guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue step by step. Step 1. Check transfer details. Review the details of the transfer you initiated. Ensure that the amount, account numbers, and recipient information are correct. Any discrepancies can cause delays. Step 2. Verify account balance. Make sure that you have sufficient funds in your account to complete the transfer. Insufficient funds can lead to a pending status. Log into your account to check your balance. Step 3. Wait for processing time. Understand that some transfers may take time to process, especially if they are made on weekends or holidays. Check the estimated processing times for the type of transfer you initiated. Step 4. Contact customer support. If the transfer remains pending for an extended period, reach out to US Bank customer support. They can provide specific information regarding your transfer status and any potential issues. Step 5. Review transfer limits and policies. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the transfer pending issue on your US bank account. If problems persist, continue to seek assistance from customer support for further guidance.